Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am only VJ, and today I'm going to teach you lecture number 43 of MS Excel 2021. Today we will talk about the filter function. I am not talking about the advanced filter. I am talking about the filter function, where you can very easily extract or filter any kind of data by applying just one formula. For example, suppose I have a record of students here and there can be many students here, even thousands of students. So what we want is to see how many students are enrolled in the different courses we have here and to display their names, courses, and their fees here. So as soon as I click here, if I click on Office, you can see the students for Office appear here. If I click on Graphics, the students for Graphics are shown. And if I click on AutoCAD, then the students for AutoCAD will appear. So using this function, with this simple formula, how we can filter data, that's what we're going to learn about today, which is a new function in Excel 2021. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you are able to learn something new, then please do like and share this video because your one like can help this video reach more and more people. So let's start today's lecture now. In this way, I have added the data on the next sheet here. As you can see, there is a name, a course, then a fee. And after that, I will also apply a border here. We click on home and then click on all borders. Now after that, what we have to do here is, first of all, we type courses here, as I have written courses here, and then we need to create a list here so that you don't face any problems while filtering the data. So we can also apply the list here, so I will delete this data here. So after that, what you have to do here is write down all your items or products here. For example, I have written Office Management here as one course, then there is a course on Graphics, one on AutoCAD, and similarly we have a course on Jelp, and after that we have one on Web. These are all different courses, so we need to create a list here. You should select all these cells so that you don't have to write the data repeatedly. After that, you need to go to the Data tab. After clicking on data, you will click on data validation. After clicking on data validation, a small data validation box will open in front of you. Now, after that, what you need to do is go to allow, click on list here, and then in the source field, select all the courses you have written. After selecting them, click OK. As you can see, all the courses have now appeared in all the cells you had selected. So you don't need to write the courses manually. You just need to click here and then your course will be added here. So we can add it here very easily. So as you can see, I have added some courses here like this. Now after that, I want to create the same list here as well. So I right clicked, copied it, came here, right clicked, and then clicked on paste. As soon as you click on paste, the list gets added here too. After that, we need to right click here and hide it like this. After that, what we did is we click here, then go to home. And from here, we need to fill it with color. For example, I filled it with this color, then changed its text color to white and made it bold. Then after that, what we did is we selected the headings we had here, name, course, and fee, copied them, and then selected these three cells here and pasted them. Now after that, what we need to do is apply the filter function here so that whenever we select any course here, its record or data gets filtered and appears for us. So here we click, and after clicking, we will write equals and then type filter. After that, you can use the tab key, and then first you need to provide the range from which you want to filter the data. That is, this is the range we have here. After that, you need to put a comma here to specify which data you want to filter from this range. So considering the course, we want to filter the data accordingly. So here we need to provide the range for the course. You need to select all the data here, whatever data there is. Then after that, you need to write is equal to here, meaning if, for example, in this range, if this particular data matches, then it should be filtered. So close the bracket and press enter. And you'll see that here we have only one student for Office Management whose fee is 2,500. If we click here on graphics, then for graphics, you can see that we have all the students' names, their courses, and their fees displayed here. If we click here on AutoCAD, then the students enrolled in AutoCAD are shown here. If we click on Jelp, then the students enrolled in Jelp are shown here. If we click on Web, then the students enrolled in Web are shown here. And after that, suppose I clicked on Office Management and added another course here for Office Management. Then you can see that as we keep adding Office Management courses, your data is automatically updated here. Isn't this an amazing function? You can make your work so much easier using the filter function. I hope you really liked today's function. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.